Oh yeah.
Last week, 5S and KO entertained the assembly with their facts about ants. Today, 5C and KCD would like to bring the whole alive with many more mini beasts that kindergarten, along with their Year 5 buddies, have helped them investigate.
And who better to take us on a journey into the life of these small creatures and the amazing world around us than Sir David Attenborough. We would like you to get involved, so see if you can guess what mini beast Sir David has found.
What mini beast is it? It can support up to 100 times their own weight upside down. They are the longest living of all mini beasts. They can live up to 30 years. They have 2 stomachs, one to hold food for themselves and one for others. What mini beast is it? What mini beast is it? These mini beasts have been around since the time of dinosaurs. They can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. They can live for up to 1 week without their head. What mini beast is it?
What's a cucaracha? It's a cockroach. What's a cucaracha? It's a cockroach. La cucaracha, ya no puede caminar. Porque le falta, porque no tiene dinero para gastar. He likes to play up with the band. On the hero, he's a hero. He's got the fastest moving hands.
Try and get all the people.
What mini beast is it? They taste with their feet and smell with their antenna. They have tiny ears on their wings. They can only see red, green, and yellow, and almost 360 degrees around themselves. Their eyes are made of 6,000 lenses, and they can see ultraviolet light. What mini beast is it? is it? These mini beasts can actually walk in water and breathe underwater. They are scared of ants. They eat their own webs to recycle them. In Australia, by the time you're 32 years old, 7 of these creatures will have crawled across your face in your sleep. What mini beast is it?
Mosquito.
Five creepy spiders, 5 creepy spiders. See how they crawl, see how they crawl. Crawl, 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 crawl. 5 creepy spiders.
Is it? These mini beasts live before dinosaurs. They have 5 eyes and ears on their bellies. They can jump 20 times their body length. What mini beast is it?
Actually, that's not good. That's hard.
What mini beast is it? These mini beasts don't have any bones at all.
Oh, it's a worm.
They're covered in protective slime which helps them climb up walls. Both male and female have organs which can fertilize their own eggs. It eats leaves, plants, and sometimes even its own species. What mini beast is it?
I'm just like a snail, but I don't have a shell. I still leave a slimy trail, so as far as I can tell, I'm a slug. He's a slug. He's not a bug. I'm a slug. He's a slug. He's not a bug. I'm very sorry about the slime. I made a mess. I hope it's fine. But I'm a slug. That's what I do. If you're a slug, you do it too. I'm a slug. He's a slug. He's not a bug. I'm a slug. He's a slug. He's not a bug. I don't walk or crawl. I just kind of squirm. I can only do one dance move, and it's called the worm. Fingers.
What mini beast is it? Their wings stroke incredibly fast, about 200 beats a second. The newly hatched baby insects are fed a special food called royal jelly. The queen can live up to 5 years. She is busiest in the summer months, where she can lay up to 2,500 eggs a day. What mini beast is it?
What up, baby, what up, what's good? The honeybees are here straight from the hood. We only rolling through colors, yellow and black. And we be getting no instructions, getting kinda wrapped, y'all. You know what would happen if we just up and went you before by the facts? If you knew just what it meant, yo. No more sweet ice cream and no more honey, no more badges and food. Nah, that just ain't funny. Let's get the photo and walk you down. This news right here is what it's all about. Shake your fingers, make your music, get down and up and do the honeybee, do the honeybee, do the honeybee, come on, do the honeybee, do the honeybee, come on, do the honeybee, do the honeybee, come on, do the honeybee, do the honeybee, shake your fingers and do the honeybee, shake your fingers and do the honeybee, get down real low and do the honeybee, get down real low and do the honeybee.
What mini beast is it? This mini beast is brightly colored to warn its predators that it doesn't taste too good. They smell with their feet and antennae. They chew their food side to side and not up and down like humans. This mini beast may have 9 or up to 20 spots, and their color fades as they get older. What mini beast is it? capybara, and a tiger too. What beast is it?
Tiger. You guys are watching this live. Oh my god. You can play exactly.
Please join in and sing this song with us.